Hi and welcome back to Battlefield 6. This time we're playing, of course, Escalation on the new map Contaminated. So far not too crazy, but it's the last round was breakthrough, and so there's plenty of oh, I'm next to the little bird. Please let me give it to me, please. Yes, what the fuck. First time flying, so let's see. It's kinda slow, I would say. I think it's really slow. Oh, what the fuck, this is really hard to aim. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I can't see him. I can't see. Where is this? Behind me. Where did he go? Where did he go? I don't fucking... Oh, this is so really hard to aim. What the fuck? Okay, flying in Battlefield again? You have to go back. I have no idea. At least I shot once. This should count to something. What's this? He's flying up there. I got enemy in sight. I don't think I have a chance. No, what the fuck? I didn't even hit it once. Like, what kind of fuck? Why is it like that? What the fuck? How am I supposed to get a kill with that? Oh man, is this bad? Oh, I like... It's also me, because I'm fucking terrible, but I could have done better, sure, but it was like, you aim to the left and it's like shifting way too fast to the other side and then going back. It's really hard to get a feeling for it. And it will take forever to level it up, get a feeling for it, because you don't get the chance to fly it. This will take... Ah, man, I'm dead. Imagine this guy had some better gear. Let's see, can you check out? So that's the loadout. Heavy grenade launchers. Maybe he had some better rockets already. Oh. What the fuck is that? Smoke launcher. For me or for... What is stabilizer? Okay. I don't know what to say. Not least he has grenade launchers equipped. For sure they are in the building here. Where is this guy going? Yeah, maybe that's not the best location for opening fire onto a building that's behind a rock. Just saying. Yeah, minefield 6. I didn't see that. Yeah, he's not an engineer. This game, what the fuck? What shall I say about it? We're losing this map. The helicopter is already dead again. Yeah, no. Nice experience. Still plenty of I don't think I hit it. This was so hard. No, I had to aim. Yeah, and let's imagine this is the only map you can play for the next fucking season. Guys, there are enemies still. Can you please revive me? Yeah, thank you so much. You have a... Of course he's using a fucking flare. I will tell you, this will be the biggest fucking problem in this game when people have attachments unlocked. The only thing using the fucking or like hindering the end of the game are the is the progression system in this game. Otherwise everyone will use a fucking flea on their guns. If they had fleas unlocked earlier. Look at me, I'm walking around here like crazy. Is this really a strategy? Like really? Like getting the Soflam? Is this getting any points? Or like it's just to annoy people, I would say. So if this guy knows what he's doing, he waits here and shoots in their spawn. Because he has the fucking opportunity. Do you see that? You can drive a bit forward and then you have a really easy line of sight in their base. Yeah, who's shooting that? You can't get up there. You can't get up there.
You're leaving the combat area. We have attack helicopters ready for combat.
Okay, I could have saved this ammunition here. This is not a good map. I don't know why they thought this is a good idea, putting a location in to shoot into those fucking spawns.
You're outside the combat area. Return ASAP.
What their thought process was. Ooh, close.
Frag out! We've neutralized objective Echo.
How did they... How did they kill... the tank?
We need attack support on the marked objective.
What the... would say I was in cover already when I was killed. But that's what you expect from a battlefield. So maybe we get points for repairing this guy. The terminal view is quite crazy, to be honest. I like it, but it's really hard to seize. I'm not too certain what they like thinking, and if the other vehicles get a... Where? Somewhere above here? Can I? No. Yeah, the tech helicopter. I thought the map is over. Who's shooting? Oh, this took so much life, more than half of it. And we are cooked. Not yet. Oh, this guy at least knows how to fly. Somebody painted us with a dart, I guess. And we're losing the map again, we have no flags. Ah, that's from behind there. So it's just to annoy us. And we're losing the last two flags, right? Ah, one is captured. Ah, I think we lose 3-1. That's so crazy. You can fucking self-lam across all of the map. At least a bit suppression. Where is the... I can't, I don't see him. Who's shooting at us? I didn't do that much so far. I didn't do anything to be honest. I'm just sitting here. I should repair him. Let me repair it! 70 mm fear, is it the rocket? I think it's the rocket. Oh, we won a sector, crazy. You're in the lead. I didn't expect that. Now I spawned across. Like, this is so hard to tell on which side of a flag you will spawn. I wanted to shoot at the tank there. And I destroyed one, even though it's not the one I wanted to shoot at. Where? I hear so many people. I don't know what to say about it. Look at this, even the wood is like, I'm blocking your vision even after death. You can't spawn in here. Let's try some well-known, overpowered anti-air gameplay here. That's so fucking effective. I like it. This tank is so powerful. Let's shoot 2 times. Oh, why they changed the... Oh, this is so slow now. What the fuck? I don't know if I... This guy is cooked. What the fuck? Look at this! This is so slow to change that! What the... Why? Nobody asked for that. Let's fucking spawn, fucking annoy everyone. Yeah, don't block my vision please with the fucking notification. Is it our... fuck, look at the fucking... Can I zoom in? No, I can't. They're still mines. I don't think there's a location from where I'm able to see part of the map. I have a great overview. I don't know what's shooting at them. So this side of the map is dead right now. Nobody's playing here. Except me, I like it, so I have a bit more freedom. I don't want to shoot at people so they don't get noticed where I am. Okay.
Heads up! Spotted enemy vehicle!
Look at this! You can't fucking hurt them! This is so bad. This is so bad, this is so dumb. What the fuck? Who thought we need an anti-air that's not able to shoot at people or stuff or do any harm? You fucked up. Look at this! Imagine you get like shot like from this thing.
I've got enemy in sight!
Ah, come. I'm leaving. It's not worth the trouble. I'm repaired.
Enemy attack confirmed in Echo.
Yeah, peak Battlefield 6 anti-air gameplay. You saw it here first. Crazy how this tank performs. You're so dominating the map here and there. How far can I?
You're leaving the AO. Return to combat.
Let's see, will this work?
Enemy attack
No.
confirmed in
No,
Charlie.
no, no.
Transport helos prepped and ready for you.
Oh, this is so slow! What the fuck? The turn ratings of the fucking... Who nerfed? They nerfed the fucking anti-air! Which was terrible to begin with! I can't even destroy the fucking thing here.
Echo has been neutralized.
Oh, what the fuck? You can't even aim the...
We've secured more objectives. Let's hold it.
Look at this! How much damage I did! Nothing! This is a fucking light helicopter! Ah, this game, who thought this is good gameplay?
Objectives.
And nobody, infantry has you and me and I'm fucked. Look at this, this is so dumb. This is so dumb. I have no idea what's going on and I'm dead. Because it's Battlefield, yay! And the next RPG shot could kill me instantly because it's a fucking Battlefield game. At least now he should have not any more ammunition. Oh, this game is so fucking bad. I fucking hate it. Why am I fucking playing this shit? An anti-air that's not fucking useful for anything. Look at this! This is not fucking... In every other fucking Battlefield, I don't know... This would be a fucking kill. Oh, fuck! This fucking turret is so slow! What am I supposed to say?
We are moving on objective Foxtrot.
Ah, I hate it. I fucking hate this game. That has nothing to do. Is it how's this COD mode called where you have also vehicles? That's dead. But at least the vehicle in COD had somewhat kind of power. Yeah, this doesn't hurt him at all. You can't even destroy shit with that. I think a buggy is more stronger than a fucking anti-air. Ah, fuck it. I shouldn't play it. I should stop playing this game. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.